What we discussed now? Euclid division lemma we discussed, right? What is that lemma? A is equals to B cube plus R, 0 less than or equals to or less than B is the Euclid division lemma, right? Suppose, see, we use the Euclid division lemma to find the HCF, right? Yeah. Let us see. HCF of 50 and 70, right? How do you find? We have to find by using Euclid division lemma. To find that Euclid division, by using the Euclid division lemma, you have to find the HCF. So that I'm taking division here. 50 once, 50 remainder is 20. Write that in a Euclid division format. 70 is equals to 50 into 1 plus 20. 50 into 1 plus 20. Next, 22's 40 and 10. This we can write 50 is equals to, again, this is I'm taking divisor. Now that becomes 20 into 2 plus 10. Which is still now, we didn't get 0 remainder, right? Again, you have to continue. Sorry, it is 20, right? Yeah. 10 twos, 20 remainder, we got 0 here. Now there we can stop. There is no further procedure also. 20 is equals to 10 into 2 plus 0 is the remainder. See, here you got the divisor of 10, you got remainder 0, right? So where you get the remainder 0, the divisor, this is the divisor right here. The divisor 10 is the HCF of 50, 70. Okay. Any doubts, Sana? Do you have any doubts regarding this? You can ask. Yes, no. Yes, no, no. Any doubts? No doubts. Yeah, all of you down your hands first. Then you can raise a hand now. You can raise a hand now if anybody is having the doubt. Arjuman. Arjuman.
సార్ ఇంకొకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్.
Tinana, some of you people not able to open the Eklavya video. I don't know what is
Yes.
why it is happening. Once please record a screen and then send it to me in WhatsApp. Otherwise, if you are nearby school, you can come to me in school. I'll try to check that. Okay. Right now. See, to find this HCF of 50 and 70. To find the HCF of 50 and 70, we are using Euclid division lemma. Okay. So take this is rough work, Nana. See, this is rough work. No need to write in the examination point of view. You can take in your notes with pencil, the side, right side. Yeah. 50 ones are 50. Smaller one you take as divisor. Remember, smaller one you take as divisor. Bigger one you should take here between the ears. Okay. 50 ones are 50. 20 is the remainder. Now this arrange in the format of A is equals to BQ plus R. What is A here? A is 70. What is B? B is 50. What is Q? See, here it is B, A, and this is Q, and this one is R, right? So take here that Q. Q is nothing but 1 plus R is 20, right? Next, again, continue the procedure. Take this as a divisor and 50 as the dividend. Now, this becomes as B. This becomes as A. Then we get 20 twos are 40. Now, this is the Q. And you get here remainder 10. Means this dividend. Again, we shall apply this. A is equals, now what is the A? 50 is equals to, what is B? 20 into, what is Q? 2 plus, what is R? 10 is the R, right? Remainder. Yes, we further continue like that only. Again. Now this R becomes divisor. The remainder R becomes divisor. This is the actual remainder. This we are taking as divisor now. And take this 20 dividend. Okay. So now this becomes B and this becomes A. So 20, 10 to the 20. Remainder you got 0. Now this is the R and this is a Q. So arrange them in again. A is equals to BQ plus R form. What is that? 20 is equals to 10 into 2 plus 0. Right? So here you got remainder 0, right? Remainder 0. So see, this 10 is the HCF of the given numbers 50 and 70. HCF of 50 comma 70 is 10. So why we are taking this 10 as a HCF, highest common factor? Because this here we got remainder 0. So that we didn't take here 20 as a divide HCF, 50 as a HCF. Why we are taking only 10? In the case of divisor of 10 only, we got remainder 0, right? So where we get the remainder 0, there we stop the procedure as well. The particular divisor is called HCF. Still any doubts? Yes, no. Still any doubts? Yeah. Just wait, then I will take the attendance. Take the access of practical app, then all of you must take the access of practical app. Just wait. Yes, no, right. Good. Next, see some more concept regarding the next content. Basics now. See, in the basics class, I told you multiples, right? What is the general form of multiple of 2? 2n, 2x, 2m, 2k, 2q, 2k, 2p, so on, right? General form of multiples of 2, right? And what is general form of multiples of 3? This is multiple of general forms. Right? So multiples of 3, general form. 3n, 3x, or 3s, or 3p, or 3z, 3k, whatever you can take, right? Whatever you can take. And multiples of 4, 4n, 4k, whatever. Okay, it will be contained like that for every number, right? So let me tell one more thing. Suppose 2n plus 1. What is the meaning of this 2n plus 1? Agnesh, show me your notes. Show me your notes once. Simply doing time pass, right? Agnesh from KHS. I'm observing you what you're doing. right? 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 is nothing but it is a number. It is a number having more than multiple of 2. It is a number having more than multiple of 2. How much it is having extra digit or what number? 1, right? After the multiple of 2, we have 1 extra. It means remainder, right? Suppose 2n if you take, 2n if you take, if I add plus 1, what it becomes? This is a remainder, right? If you divide with 2, you will get definitely this remainder. Suppose if you see a is equals to bq plus r here, where 0 less than or equals to r less than b. If the remainder is 0, then the Euclid division algorithm lemma becomes a is equals to bq only, right? A is equals to bq only. Suppose if my a is a even number, then what is the uh, uh, bq? That may be 2n, 2q, 2r, 2s, so on, right? So here it is q, here it is q, so that we can take q only. Then a is equals to 2q, right? Isn't it? Did you get that? Any doubts for this explanation? You can raise the hand and ask. Any doubts for this? This is very important, Nana. The exercise 1.1, you will get one long question on the basis of this concept only. Suppose if my a is even number, then definitely r is equals to 0 when if b is equals to 2. I'm telling. Once again, I will repeat here. A is equals to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equals to r less than b. You are taking b is equals to 2. And what is a? A is even number. A is even number. Okay. So it means what it becomes? A is equals to 2q plus r. What is the r value here? 0 less than r less than b is 2, right? So this means r is lies between 0 and 2. Maybe 0 also. Okay. It means what are the possible r values? 0, 1. Only two possible values, right? Only two possible r values. What I'm going to tell is, if you substitute here r is equals to 0, why we need to substitute r equals 0? If it is remainder, if it is the divisor 2, definitely if you divide even number, you will get the remainder 0, right? Once again, I'm repeating. If the divisor is 2, dividend is even number, then what would be the remainder? Must be 0, right? Remainder must be 0. So in that case, I'm telling this we can write a is equals to 2q, isn't it? We can write a is equals to 2q, right? Got it? Yes, now did you get that? A is equals to 2q, right? Simply we can say 2q is nothing multiple of 2, right? 2q is nothing but multiple of 2. Okay. Suppose if I write 2q plus 1, after the division, if the remainder is 0, it will be 2q. Forget about this even number now. Forget about that even number. If a is equals to q, remainder is equals to 0. If a is equals to 2q plus 1, remainder is equals to 1, right? If a is equals to 2q plus 2, remainder is equals to 2. Okay. Now this we can write. If it is a remainder 2, if divided, what is the divisor? Divisor is also 2 and remainder is also 2, right? What we can do now here? simply here observe, we can take 2 common. If you take 2 common from this, what you get? Q plus 1 you will get, right? You'll get Q plus 1, 2 into Q plus 1, right? So what I'm telling is this 2 into Q plus 1 is also a multiple of 2. Is also a multiple of 2. What I'm telling, did you get that? 2 into Q plus 1 is also a multiple of 2. Yes? Any doubts? Suppose if you continue further, A is equals to Q plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. What becomes? A is equals to 2Q plus 1. Next one, plus 2. Plus 2, right? So here observe one more thing. Here, in place of this Q plus 1, instead of this Q plus 1, I'm replacing here some some alphabet M. Now what becomes? 2M, right? 2M. Again, what is the remainder here? 0, right? And this is also 2M plus 1. And this one, 2M plus 2 we get, right? So what is the remainder here? 1. What is the remainder here? 0. What is the remainder here? 2. So again, this we can write, take 2 common, which becomes M plus 1. Again, this is also multiple of 2. 2 into M plus 1 is also a multiple of 2. All these things I am telling for the purpose of 1.1 exercise purpose. Okay. We shall solve this kind of problems in there. So that I'm giving you all these things. So here, in place of this M plus 1, I will replace some P, where is equals to M plus 1. So what we can write that? 2P. Again, we will get this is we got here multiple of 2, right? Simply remember, if you write 3M multiple of 3, 3M plus 1, it is a number having more than 1, then multiple of 3. 3M plus 2, it is a number, it is also having more than 2 more than multiple of 2. 2 more multiple of 3, sorry. And 3M plus 3, it is a number, it is having 3 more than the multiple of 3. It is nothing but this we can simply write 3M plus 1. This is also multiple of 3. Okay. Any doubts, Nana? You can please ask. I'm assuming I've given very clarity explanation. Clear explanation. I don't know whether you got or not. Manasvika from NHS, please start your video. Manasvika, are you there? Unmute now. You just wait, Anvesh. Just 2 minutes. Taking the attendance. Where are you, Nana? Yeah, Anvesh sir, okay. Sorry, sir. Sir, unmute yourself. Anvesh sir.
So thank you, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
And good morning to all the dear students. Please, KHS students are not on in the video. Sir, just
Yeah,
give instructions to them, sir.
just now in the earlier of the class I have given them. Yes, Nana.
Sir.
You must start your videos and write your school name in front of your name, okay? Then only you will get the attendance.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
If you turn off your video, we are assuming you are not in the class. Okay. Right? What are the instructions? Today's instructions? Not to wear night wears. Okay. Sitting arrangement is proper. You must turn on your video. You must write your notes. Every week you will take the correction. And tomorrow you have an exam, Saturday. And one more thing, the MRMS children must to take access of the Practically app. Then only you will get the classes from Monday onwards. Okay, everybody will take the classes from Practically app only. Okay, right. I'm going to stop here. Have a nice day. Bye, all of you. Just please take the screenshot now. I forgot to share the screenshots. Yeah. First paper. First paper. Second paper. Third paper. Fourth paper. Fifth paper. Sixth paper. Seventh paper. Right now. Sarvan, unmute now.
Sir, what are the topics for tomorrow's exam?
What we discussed till now,
Okay, sir.
maybe basics, or maybe what are the things we discussed till now. I will give you in that. Okay. For you people, level test is not over, right? We have to conduct level test. Level test 3, I think. Okay. Right. Okay, Nana. Bye, all of you.